Hello and welcome to our Friday floral tutorial. Today we are painting lavender. The materials that we are using, that I am using, is a Sable Winsor Newton 3 number brush, a Bohong cold press watercolor paper, and Winsor Newton watercolor paints. Now let's begin. To begin with, I am mixing mauve or permanent purple. To start, we are going to create a pyramid, like pyramid or triangle shape. So, as lavender looks similar to a pyramid or a triangle if you put it into geometrical form. The first layer is going to be light. So we always start. The whole technique is a dot painting technique, and we use light layers first and then build on with the darker colors. So here what I am doing is I am using the dot technique and a very light layer of my purple and creating a lavender, first layer of lavender. Now I am mixing some green. Using green, I'm going to create the stem that will run through from the lavender, from the between of lavender. So while it's wet, if you create this stroke, the green color flows into the purple lavender color and giving you a nice mix, giving you a very natural look. So now I am adding a second layer of my purple or mauve. You see that the below layer should be wet when you are adding the second layer, or else it will not blend in. Here I am, remember to use 100% cotton paper for this technique, as 100% cotton paper will give you a nice blend when you are trying to create wet on wet and the layerings especially. Wait till the end to see the step-by-step process of how I finished the whole composition of this lavender bouquet. And do not forget to subscribe us. We post new tutorial videos on every Monday and every Friday. And Friday is Friday Florals tutorials. Thank you guys. thank you for watching the entire video. Hope you guys enjoyed and had fun making the lavender. If you've tried this, do share the process or your photos with us on Instagram or on Facebook. Tag us and use hashtag #MeWithThePencil. See you next Friday for new floral tutorials. Bye bye.